Your kidneys filter more than 45 gallons of fluid every single day. But without the right nutrients, that filter can clog up fast. That's why today, we're uncovering 5 scientifically backed fruits that help cleanse and detox your kidneys naturally. They hydrate, reduce inflammation, and protect your body's internal filters, all backed by research. And the last one, fruit number 5, might surprise you. It's one of the easiest to find, but most people completely overlook it. Fruit number 1, berries. They may look tiny, but berries are your kidney's first line of defense. Blueberries, cranberries, and raspberries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants proven to reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Healthline notes that cranberries even prevent bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract. That's like giving your kidneys a shield every morning. Start your day with half a cup of mixed berries or a smoothie before breakfast. But don't blink, because the next fruit is over 90% water, and it doesn't just hydrate you, it washes your kidneys from the inside out. Fruit number 2, watermelon, cucumber. Watermelon is a natural kidney cleanser. It's loaded with potassium and lycopene, 2 nutrients that improve kidney filtration and reduce inflammation. According to the National Kidney Foundation, fruits with high water content help the kidneys flush out excess sodium and toxins more efficiently. Try eating 2 cups of chopped watermelon or sipping its juice first thing in the morning. It's sweet, refreshing, and powerful. But stay close. The next fruit works differently. It doesn't just flush, it repairs. Scientists say it helps reverse early signs of kidney strain. Any guess what that could be? Fruit number 3, apple. Believe it or not, apples are like a natural broom for your kidneys. They're rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that binds to heavy metals and toxins, helping your body excrete them before they stress your kidneys. A Harvard Health review mentions that apple's antioxidants reduce C-reactive protein, a marker of kidney inflammation. So when you bite into an apple, you're not just eating fruit, you're giving your kidneys a gentle reset. But wait, what happens when you combine apple's cleansing power with a fruit that purifies your blood and boosts circulation to every single nephron inside your kidneys? That's our next one. Fruit number 4, grapes, pomegranate. Grapes or pomegranate. These red jewels are bursting with polyphenols that reduce uric acid levels and improve blood flow, both critical for kidney detox. In one study from the National Library of Medicine, pomegranate extract showed significant improvement in kidney markers for people with mild kidney issues. A small handful of red grapes or a glass of unsweetened pomegranate juice in the morning can boost nitric oxide production, improving how blood flows through your kidneys. Sounds incredible, right? But fruit number 5, this one changes everything. It's the unsung hero of kidney repair, the kind of fruit that can lower creatinine levels and restore your natural filtration system if you use it right. Fruit number 5, lemon, citrus. The most underrated fruit for kidney health, lemon. Lemons, oranges, and other citrus fruits are rich in citrate, which prevents kidney stones and dissolves small crystals before they form blockages. Drinking warm lemon water on an empty stomach can help maintain an alkaline balance, protecting your kidneys from acid overload. According to the Mayo Clinic, consistent citrate intake can reduce the risk of kidney stones by up to 48%. So next time you wake up, squeeze half a lemon into warm water before your first meal. And here's the twist. When you combine lemon, grapes, and berries, you create a triple antioxidant shield that strengthens your kidney filters over time. But how do you make all this into a simple morning habit? Let's connect the dots. Here's your 3-minute morning ritual. Drink a glass of warm lemon water as soon as you wake up. 15 minutes later, enjoy a bowl of mixed fruits. 2 cup berries, 2 cup grapes, 1 apple, and 1 to 2 cups watermelon. Stay hydrated, at least 1 more glass of water after your fruit bowl. Do this for 7 days straight and watch your morning energy, skin clarity, and kidney comfort improve. But don't stop there. The biggest mistake people make when cleansing their kidneys isn't what they eat. It's what they ignore. And I'll explain that next. Here are 3 quick kidney detox traps to avoid. Skipping water, Even with fruit, dehydration cancels the benefit. Drinking store-bought juices loaded with sugar. Overdoing salt, caffeine, or processed meat right after your cleanse. If you fix just these three things, you're already protecting your kidneys better than most people. So which fruit are you starting with tomorrow morning? Tell me in the comments. Your choice might inspire someone else to take action today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to give their kidneys a fresh start. And don't miss next week's episode, 3 morning foods that secretly damage your kidneys. You won't believe what's on that list. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, your kidneys deserve it.